It was a town hall meeting organized to showcase the possibility of being an activist and at the same time a politician. Not surprising, former Labour activist and now Edo State Governor Adams Oshiomhole was in attendance. Also in the crowd was former Governor of Cross River State, Donald Duke, who did not hesitate to criticize the present administration's change agenda.
Politicians in our society today are largely jobbers and budget padders, advocating for themselves and not society. They cleverly and surreptitiously apply the word change. I, of course, won't use that word because as a member of the PDP, or what's left of it, that word change, they do me one kind. However, improvement is constant. Not being satisfied with how society is and seeking to better it, we advocate improvement and not change. Don't forget, in 1966, we had a change, a violent one, from a democracy to military.
But Governor Oshiomhole rose in defense of the change agenda.
This is bringing meaning to it. Now we have to change a society where all you need to do is to get your brother elected and get him around the NNPC cycles. You can then become overnight oil marketer, and then you do subsidy business. Because of we NSC, we will fight against removal of subsidy, and then we think we are fighting for the people, which was our intention. And then the young man calls in, just do paper transactions, and it takes billions of naira, even in the name of the same subsidy, and become wealthy. We have to change that. And that is what this change is about.
Duke is not also convinced that an activist should be involved in politics, as he believes that his activism will be compromised. He maintained that ideology can never be married to realism.
When the activist by circumstance finds himself in political office, he gets confused between the idealism he espoused and the reality on ground. Some come out of this experience a shadow of their once bubbly self. Indeed, politicians, military and civil, usually introduce these activists into the political sphere to either earn credibility by association, shut them up, long-term, or tarnish them completely.
Governor Oshiomhole, who is popularly described as Comrade Governor again, thinks otherwise.
People who have chosen to dedicate their time, their intellect, their resources to questioning the social order, the political order, the economic order, interrogating power, demanding change, insisting that things be done differently in a way that will deliver more happiness and fairness in a given society.
The governor, however, noted that no one can change the society through individual activism. To him, the idea of activism is not to bring down a government, but to defeat any policy that is considered wrong and anti-people. Abayomi Akimbola, PTV News, Abuja.